In the small village of Akoko, nestled in the heart of Africa, there lived a young man named Kofi. Kofi was a proud descendant of the village's founding ancestors and was known for his arrogance and disrespect towards the elderly. One day, while he was out hunting, Kofi stumbled upon an ancient shrine hidden deep in the forest. Despite the warnings from the village elders, Kofi desecrated the shrine, stealing sacred artifacts and mocking the ancestors. Unknown to him, his actions unleashed a powerful curse that had been placed upon the shrine by the ancestors themselves. This curse spread throughout the village, bringing diseases, famine, and death. As the villagers suffered, Kofi's own life began to unravel. He was plagued by terrifying visions and heard whispers of the ancestors in his mind. The villagers, realizing Kofi's wrongdoing, banished him from the village. Alone and desperate, Kofi sought the help of a powerful sorceress, who revealed to him that the only way to leave the curse was to return the stolen artifacts and perform a ritual of appeasement to the ancestors. Kofi embarked on a perilous journey to restore balance and seek forgiveness, but as he approached the shrine, he was met with a terrifying sight. The vengeful spirit of the ancestors, risen from the dead to claim their due. In the end, Kofi's pride was his downfall. The ancestors' curse consumed him, and his soul was trapped forever. A cautionary tale of the devastating consequences of disrespecting one's heritage and tradition.